A clean and organized workspace is a productive workspace. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a weekend warrior, a reliable shop vacuum is an indispensable tool. Shop vacuums, unlike their indoor counterparts, are built to tackle the tough messes. Sawdust, metal shavings, drywall dust. These heavy-duty vacuums handle it all. Investing in the right shop vacuum can transform your workspace. Imagine effortlessly cleaning up after a project, leaving your workbench spotless and ready for the next task. With so many options available, selecting the right shop vacuum can seem daunting. This guide will help you navigate the world of shop vacuums. We'll explore the different types, their unique features, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Get ready to say goodbye to workshop clutter and hello to a cleaner, more efficient workspace. Wet-dry vacuums are the workhorses of the shop vacuum world. As their name suggests, they are designed to handle both wet and dry messes with ease. These versatile machines can suck up sawdust, wood chips, and metal shavings just as easily as they can handle spilled liquids. Wet-dry vacuums typically feature a large tank capacity. This is ideal for tackling bigger projects. They often come equipped with a variety of attachments. These include crevice tools, extension wands, and even specialized nozzles for upholstery cleaning. This versatility makes them an excellent choice for homeowners with a wide range of cleaning needs. From cleaning up after a home renovation project to dealing with a flooded basement, a wet-dry vacuum can handle it all. For serious DIYers and woodworkers, a wall-mounted vacuum system offers unparalleled convenience and power. These systems consist of a powerful vacuum unit mounted on the wall. It is connected to a system of pipes and inlets installed throughout the workshop. With a wall-mounted system, you can easily connect a hose to the nearest inlet and start cleaning. No more dragging a heavy vacuum around the workspace. These systems often feature high-powered motors. They provide superior suction for even the finest dust particles. Many models also include features like automatic dust collection. This activates the vacuum when power tools are in use. This helps maintain a cleaner and healthier work environment. Portable shop vacuums offer a compact and lightweight solution for smaller workshops and quick cleanups. These vacuums are easy to maneuver and are ideal for cleaning tight spaces and reaching awkward corners. While portable vacuums may not have the same large tank capacity as their larger counterparts, they still pack a punch when it comes to suction power. They are perfect for cleaning up small spills, sawdust from a quick woodworking project, or even vacuuming out your car. Many portable models are also cordless, offering the ultimate in convenience and portability. With so many different types of shop vacuums available, choosing the right one can seem overwhelming. Consider your specific needs and the types of cleaning tasks you'll be performing most often. Think about the size of your workspace and whether you need a vacuum that's easy to move around. Consider the vacuum's tank capacity. A larger tank means less frequent emptying. Look for features like variable speed control, HEPA filtration, and a variety of attachments. These can enhance the vacuum's versatility and effectiveness. Don't forget to factor in your budget. Shop vacuums are available at a wide range of price points. Determine how much you're willing to spend and look for a vacuum that offers the best value for your money. A clean and organized workspace is essential for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner who enjoys tackling projects around the house. A reliable shop vacuum is an indispensable tool that can help you maintain a cleaner, safer, and more efficient work environment. By understanding the different types of shop vacuums available, their unique features, and your specific cleaning needs, you can choose the perfect vacuum for your workshop. From powerful wet-dry vacuums to convenient wall-mounted systems and compact portable models, there's a shop vacuum out there to tackle any mess and keep your workspace in tip-top shape.